Do you frequently have to sign application forms and other documents for service providers like banks, telco companies, or hospitals? Then you can understand the frustration of printing, signing, scanning, and sending numerous documents at a time. emdha Digital Signature Service makes this process simple and seamless. emdha Digital Signature Service lets you sign important documents digitally without the hassle of printing and scanning. It's an easy-to-use service that requires a simple enrolling process. Let's say you need to sign some important banking documents. All you have to do is enroll for emdha Digital Signature Service by visiting our website through your service provider website by following a few simple steps. Before you begin, please ensure you have your mobile phone with the number registered with ABSHUR for authentication, a color digital copy of your most recent passport-size picture, an original and scanned colored copy of your national ID or ECAMA card. Open your service provider's website and proceed to the emdha Authenticator page by clicking Sign. Register yourself as a new user by entering your national ID or your ECAMA number. You can authenticate yourself using your ABSHUR one-time password. Once authenticated, fill in your basic information such as full name, Arabic or English, gender, date of birth, mobile number, email, postal code, city, region, and nationality. Validate your account using the one-time password sent to your email address and mobile phone. Create your emdha user account vault credentials and click Accept to digitally sign the subscriber agreement. Now upload a recent passport-size photo of yourself and a colored scanned copy of national ID or ECAMA ID. That's it! Your information will be sent for verification and validation to emdha. Once your account is processed and approved, you will be ready to digitally sign your service provider's documents. Now you're enrolled. So how do you digitally sign documents using emdha Digital Signature Service? It's just as easy. Proceed to the emdha Authenticator page by clicking Sign on your service provider's portal. Review the documents that you need to sign. Now authenticate yourself using your emdha user account vault credentials and the ABSHUR one-time password you receive on your phone. That's it! You're done! You can view and download your signed documents through your service provider portal. emdha. Embrace digital identity.